Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to use the code component in Momen and enable its debugging mode. The code component is a powerful tool that allows you to create and customize your own functionalities within Momen. With the local debug mode, you can develop, test, and debug your code components in a local environment before deploying them into your Momen project. Before getting started, please make sure that you have already deployed at least one code component to your project. If not, please refer to our doc on code component. Once you have the code component in your project, you see an option in the top left corner that says Enable. After turning it on, you can activate the debugging mode. This will show the local port number. Once you turn this on, you can go to your code and run the command npm run preview. This command will render your code locally. Pay attention to the port number, which is 6326. This port number must match with the one shown here, so the project knows which address to access. This step connects your project with your local code. Next, how can we ensure that modifications made to our local code are reflected in real time in the preview? We can open another terminal and run the command npm run watch build. This command will monitor changes in your local code. If you make any changes, it will rebuild your project, ensuring that your latest changes are reflected on the port and displayed in the view. Now you see that it's running. Once it's done, we can go to the page and drag a component called Confirm Model. If you created a code component, this component is our template component. You can drag it into the page and then copy the required values into it. And then you see in the top right corner, there's an option called Mirror, which is our real-time preview. When you open this, you see the page rendered. And you can now make modification locally in the Confirm model. For example, there's a section about debugging. You can modify it by adding some numbers after it and saving it. You see that your project is now being deployed in real time. Once the deployment is completed, return to your project and refresh the page. You notice that previously it printed debugging, now it prints debugging 123. This confirms that code rendered in our real-time preview is indeed the local code, making it easier for you to debug locally. However, there's still one thing to note. Currently, you cannot modify the corresponding values inside the prompt data. If your variable name is button title, it's best not to make any changes. If you need to modify it, make sure to publish it online first and then do the debugging.